Hi, hello, welcome back to our new educational video. The course name is DevOps. In this video, we have to know about clearly the knowledge is a power. So guys, take your own separate notes and understand the topic. After that, what you understand the topic, then fulfill your notes in understandable way. So guys, tin, it begins the show. Before we go into the topic, first we have to see an example. Then after that we clearly understand the next topic. Example. Imagine you have a team building a house. The builders, developers create the structure, and the decorators, operations, make it look good and functional. DevOps is like having both teams work seamlessly together. DevOps, in software terms, DevOps is a culture and set of practices that bring together software development dev and IT operations ops. It aims to shorten the system's development life cycle and provide continuous delivery with high software quality. In simpler words, DevOps helps teams work better together, releasing software faster, and making sure it works well once it's out there. It's about communication, collaboration, automation, and a shared responsibility for the software's success. These are the full information from DevOps introduction. That's it guys, thanks for watching. If you really like to love these video, then like, share and subscribe. Last but not least, knowledge is a power. Bye bye, take care.